माँ मेरिट की वैल्यू बढ़ती जा रही है गाइस. The way the pressure is right now.
दिल्ली से आया मेरा दोस्त.
Everything so cute. I love Christmas. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to an episode of Hustle with Sara, where you and I, we hustle together. Today we are finally putting up the Christmas tree in the Sara Squad home. Today is 15th of December, तो काफी late हो गया actually. I usually like to put on 1st of December, but कुछ ना कुछ आ रहा था, and I haven't gotten the chance to put it yet. I really want to put it today. So we're gonna do that, and this time I'm also planning to make my Christmas outfit from scratch. जिसके लिए hopefully I'll go day after tomorrow. But now let's set up the Christmas tree. Today we'll only do the Christmas tree जो मैं यूजुअली इधर रखती हूँ. मैं वो प्लांट हटा के रखती हूँ मेरे लिविंग रूम में. एंड हम ऑफ कोर्स लाइट्स भी लगाते हैं खिड़की के बाहर, बट करेंटली मेरे पास इलेक्ट्रिशियन वगैरह का नहीं है, तो वो हम थोड़ा सेगमेंटली करेंगे. तो दिस वीक विल गेट द क्रिसमस डेकोर डन. आई वांट टू डू समथिंग डिफरेंट विद द वॉल्स एंड स्टफ. आल्सो लास्ट टाइम वी पुट अ बिग फैट बो ओवर हियर, सो लेट्स सी व्हाट वी वांट टू डू डिफरेंटली. बट ट्री तो लगा दो तो थोड़ा क्रिसमस जैसा लगे, बिकॉज नहीं लग रहा क्रिसमस जैसा. लेट्स put the Christmas.
और मेरा डेकोरेशन इधर है, मेरे को दे देना वापस.
नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं, मेरी माँ आई है मेरा डेकोरेशन चुराने के लिए. बिल्कुल नहीं मिलेगा.
मेरा डेकोरेशन मैंने सत्यम के हाथ से इधर भेजी थी रखने के लिए ऊपर मारिए.
सत्यम ने बोला नहीं है. सत्यम बोला यही है. सत्यम has confirmed that your decor is not your.
It's okay. I'll buy new decor. I can't like my decor.
Okay, we are
I
moving.
like I choose piece over.
Piece over decor. I have such a cute ornament idea. I was thinking वो शायद आज नहीं हो पाए, but अपने सैशे पे पंच होल करके मैं धागा लगा के उनको भी ऑर्नामेंट के जैसा टंगा सकती हूँ.
Yes, I do that. Even I was thinking माँ मेरिट के फोटोज लगा दूंगी पूरे ट्री पे. मेरे पास वो नहीं होगा, तो मैंने वही सोची रात को.
So वो हम कल करेंगे. आज वो रेडी नहीं है, पंच भी नहीं है, पप्पा भी नहीं है, धागा भी नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है. आज हम ट्री तो लगा दें. Oh my God, my mother is here to only steal all my ideas and my decor. She's stealing. Come here.
No, Matt.
I said I'll put the sashes. She said मैं मामा डेट की फोटो डालूंगी.
Hello.
Come here. Come here.
I saw
Come here.
Mr. Bean का एक show on Netflix yesterday. Hello. I never churrowed your idea. I saw Mr. Bean Man vs Child. उसका show on Netflix. Yes, please watch that. It's not promoted. And in that बेचारा हीरो का chocolate wrappers वो पूरे ट्री में डालता है because he doesn't have ornaments. So then that idea came to me. माँ मेरिट के फोटोज रेसिपीज का मैं ट्री पर डालूंगी. मेरे पास सारा ऑर्नामेंट्स नहीं दे रही है, तो मैं वैसा करूंगी. गुड आइडिया.
सैशे एक्चुअली यूजफुल है. लोग खोल निकाल के उसमें से कॉफी बना.
फोटो भी देखेंगे तो रेसिपीज की आइडिया आएंगी ना, तो लोग वो रेसिपीज बनाएंगे ना.
स्टैंड किधर है मेरे ट्री का?
कितना सही आइडिया है. ऐसा वाला मेरे पास भी था ना रे, और एक है ना.
नहीं मम्मी के पास कहाँ था सत्यम ऐसा वाला?
नहीं.
This is
Last
that
time मेरे
what
को
is it
दिया था
called?
एक.
The Christmas tree skirt. मम्मी अभी तुम इधर खड़े रह के खाली पूछोगे कि तुम्हारे को क्या
तो मैं
चाहिए.
आई तेरे साथ.
ये औरत ना इधर सिर्फ आई है मेरा सामान देख के लेने के लिए.
इसलिए तो मैं आई शूट करने के लिए बाटर में.
बाटर में
कि तू मेरे को क्या ऑर्नामेंट देगी.
This is called a tree skirt जो IKEA का है rug.
और एक था ना ऐसा वाला.
Guys, the tree is almost ready. It is in the most beautiful because यहाँ से खुलना बचा है. But this is something we've done temporarily, makeshift. This is the condition of the house right now. And मम्मी को उनका डेकोर भी मिल गया.
मैं बोली ना तेरे ही घर पे है करके. हम लोग पूरा घर ढूंढे, आखिर में तेरे ही घर पे हुआ.
सत्यम ने बोला नहीं मम्मी को और इधर रखा था. मम्मी को इसलिए last time when we were purchasing only I told her take a different color combination. So her color combination is red and yellow and my color combination is white and silver. So it's very evident that this is her box and that was my box, which is yes, Guddu. Good la, you're my papu, you're my paplu. Shake hand, give me. Shake hand. Good boy. Agreement signed. Come on, Faji. Now I have to shoot video in front of the Christmas tree. मैं time lapse shoot कर रही थी guys Christmas tree का phone पे और phone ही मर गया. Did it get recorded the time lapse?
Yeah, of course.
No, bro. What? Yeah, of course. I opened this. It wasn't. That's not that glitch.
Just second.
Ah, it did.
Yeah, just you. I checked and the second you checked, it got checked.
अच्छा, this was the time lapse of us.
1 hour later.
Guys, मम्मी को Christmas gifting मिली है from Charlotte, from Nykaa actually. Nykaa has sent gift hampers and the concept was मम्मी के साथ video बनाओ. So
तो मम्मी को तुम दे दो क्या क्या मम्मी को चाहिए.
yes, ले लो बहन. This is a highlighter.
ये नहीं चाहिए मुझे. ये मैं यूज नहीं करती हूँ,
Okay.
ये तुम ले सकते हो।
I hope the lipstick shade suits you.
नहीं भी मैं करा दूंगी। Charlotte Tilbury, this is my first this of Charlotte Tilbury, you know that? First lipstick.
Yeah, this will look.
Wow, lovely.
Which color lip liner they've given you? This will maybe the lip liner के साथ it'll work. Show the lip liner. I have dark lip liners. Take from me one dark lip liner. Then
I have one lip liner, dark one.
you can do
But the
ombre.
box is so cute. Packaging.
Yeah, the packaging is
Yeah,
this tin box.
I just feel like वो bridal याद आता है, like your
Charlotte Tilbury is the perfect bridal, yeah. No, this lip liner won't. This won't suit you. Give Sabrina. Most of the things that doesn't suit us suit Sabrina. This is what push up lashes. This is useful.
Skincare will be useful, yeah. This all will be.
This is
useful.
Forest Essential lip balm. This is
lip
very
balm.
good.
This
I
is
used to
very
have
good,
this.
yeah. You want?
No, use it. I have a lot of lip balms.
This is soap, I think.
Yeah. What is it? Just read it, na. This is the
can't
facial
see.
cleanser, and this is the sunscreen lotion.
Oh,
This is all useful to you. Forest Essentials. This is the best. I told you, no. L'Occitane. Their shower oil is very good smelling.
Yes, it's very
shower
good.
oil
Ah,
wash, no?
Yeah.
It's very expensive.
Yeah.
Today I
I've
was
seen, I
thinking of
wanted to buy
ordering,
it,
but
and then
7,000 rupees it is.
Yeah, I know.
टेकोर चाहिए?
नहीं यूज करो भाई 7,000 के बॉडी वॉश से नहाने की जितनी बहुत
आदत
नहीं
हो
है
गई तो फिर कैसे
भाई। वही प्रॉब्लम होगी। आदत हो जाती है फिर वापस खरीदने का मन होता है ना, तो जो लिप बाम
हाँ, लिप बाम। ये लोग का बाकी का प्रोडक्ट्स बहुत अच्छे हैं। ये लोग
हैंड क्रीम, दिस इज द वायरल L'Occitane shower oil with almond oil.
It's very good, very oil.
Use with almond oil. It's a shower oil, मतलब shower body wash only.
body wash.
They call it shower oil. The reason we put the Christmas tree today is because Nykaa wanted a video for their holiday gift sets and we wanted to do it in Mars. So then we put the
Yes.
tree. I didn't tell mummy that this is the concept because I wanted a natural reaction. So we got it on reel. If you want to watch, go watch my reel with Nykaa.
And follow Ma made it.
माँ मेरिट की वैल्यू बढ़ती जा रही है गाइस। माँ की वजह से मुझे कोलैब आ रहा है। अच्छा है, रीत की वजह से भी मुझे कोलैब आता है, माँ की वजह से भी मुझे कोलैब आता है। अभी देखो लेट्स चेंज नाउ माय लिप्स आर
मेरा दिन अभी खत्म हो रहा है, by the way.
कितने बज रहे हैं? मैम ले रही है छुट्टी क्रिसमस की फ्रॉम 23rd till 2026.
सब काम खत्म होने के बाद I make sure everything is done.
Yeah, she, you know, I asked her what are your dates for Christmas holiday. 23rd से I said okay, बोलेगी 27th back launch है. 2026. She's coming back in 2026.
26 को वापस आ रही है मतलब.
No, 2026.
Yeah, that only na 2026. Now how you understand that?
Yeah, you're calling me a Sanchi, I like it.
Just shut up. You know, that's why I don't show you the HR policies of the company.
We always vibe because we're Geminis.
Yeah, they are born on the same day.
They also.
Yes, born on the same day, Mummy and Sharon. Which date of 2026 you will come back? First only, okay.
First छुट्टी second.
Oh my God, this first को कौन छुट्टी लेता है? First को तो लोग काम करना चाहिए ना,
that is
तो
your
तुम पूरा साल इंसान काम करे.
The next day.
Good morning, guys. There's a max day of hustle today. Lots to do. I'm doing my makeup first thing in the morning because we have to go out. Yes, come. Guys, आज बहुत ही hectic दिन होने वाला है. I have woken up a little late also because I'm very exhausted from work. Been back to back, very busy. When wrapping up very late. Last night also I wrapped up work at 10 o'clock, which is not healthy. I don't like it, but unfortunately end of year है. सबको अपना काम 20 तारीख से पहले खत्म करना है. जैसे 20 तारीख के बाद पता नहीं कोई रहेगा ही नहीं. The way everyone is pressuring. So today is actually a fun day because I'm not going to be in office, but I have to go to two things. One, I'm going to a panel discussion now with Exchange for Media. It's an entrepreneurial panel, so that's why I'm wearing like a blazer situation. But नीचे मैंने jeans पहन रखी है because I'm also going to the Avatar movie premiere after that. So yeah, two things are happening today, and both of them are दूर एक दूसरे से. तो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा driving करने का मन तो नहीं हो रहा. But let me see if I'm going to drive or if I'm going to take the Uber. The only thing with taking an Uber is कि मैं अपना संसार उठा के नहीं जा पाती हूँ. गाड़ी में at least मैं अपना संसार बिठा सकती हूँ. So let's see how I'm feeling about the driving situation. I'm quickly doing my makeup, taking updates from the team simultaneously because leaving a full day of office is kind of intimidating, especially when we are so close to our final launch. Our pre-orders have done really well, mashallah, but now is the launch. That means माल आएगा, pre-orders के orders निकालने हैं, फिर उसको market करना है ताकि और orders आए. There's a lot of pressure in the office right now because we are not just launching one sachet box, there's another sachet box which is coming. That's gonna be crazy. My hair looks mad, my house looks mad. सब कुछ सही कर दूंगी मैं निकलने से पहले. अभी बज रहे 12:43, मुझे 1:30 निकलने. So I have another 45 minutes. The way the pressure is right now, I'm in a cooker.
A few moments later.
Alright, I have left. I couldn't give you all any outfit of the day and all because बहुत cut to cut चल रहा था. This is what my makeup is looking like. Focus. This new camera doesn't focus easily. Makeup is looking really good actually. I'm proud of the makeup because this is going to last me really long for my very very long days. मैं सोच के मुझे थकान हो रही है already. But yeah, it's not that hot now in Bombay, so you're not like sweaty. The weather's really nice right now. The pollution is bad. The weather's good though. So yeah, we'll go to the panel. We'll finish the panel for Exchange for Media. That's happening at a hotel in Andheri East, and then we go to Palladium Mall. That's where the Avatar movie premiere is. So that's what our day is looking like. We're going to be very tired by the end of the day. I already know it. I've had my impulse. मैंने थोड़े boiled अंडे खाए हैं सुबह से, बस और कुछ नहीं खाया. Already feeling sleepy, guys. By the way, I blow dried my hair after it was dry, so it's not the best blow dry. And I did it because मेरे curls बस behave ही नहीं कर रहे थे आज सुबह, so I had to style it.
And the session is going to be chaired on stage by Rupa Murudkar, who's the Vice President Marketing of Chulail Private Limited.
Not a very invisible, personality. Peaceful beauty is a space when, brands rely largely on representing beauty as a segment. Similarly, how do you maneuver this task of managing content creation without having the traditional thing?
Hi everyone, I'm Sara and I started creating content with the sole purpose that I don't want to use filters on my videos. I don't want to have to show my skin a certain sort of way. And I think that's exactly what she said, that when a celebrity goes on a TV set, on a movie set, they are prone to looking a certain sort of way, and growing up we were conditioned to look at them and want to look like them. What social media allows us to do is to look at a certain person who has a following and be like, oh wow, I can be like this person. I don't have to look perfect. I don't have to have a clear skin. I don't have to have the perfect body type. I will still fit in, and someday maybe I'll also be there.
It aligns with your page. So I mean, like, wow, like people really, like, the community is so nice here. And for an example, I recently did a video.
You do tend to kind of get stuck in that loop and move a little bit away. Like, it comes to a point where you kind of unknowingly move away from being authentic and try to kind of fit in with the trends and, fit in with what's going on.
I'm a beauty content creator and the founder of Impulse Coffees. Alright guys, I've reached Palladium and now we're going to PVR for the Avatar movie premiere. Let's go. The Christmas tree over here is so pretty. And the Novotel also I saw the Christmas tree. This is Riya. I'm good. And look at this Christmas tree, so beautiful. Oh yeah, this is what I saw everyone post. Sephora, Fenty ka. Nice.
Two hours later.
This is your Christmas gift. I'm just giving you early, okay?
But why you do so much kharcha?
You don't even know what it is. Okay?
But I know you. Hamlet से क्या लिया है? What? Well, it's a gift for both of us. Yeah. Good. Then I don't mind.
Yeah. I just saw it in the mall, and I was first I saw the Legos which I saw at the airport also, and the Lego, and then I saw Monopoly, and I was like, Harry Potter Monopoly, guys! Oh my god, मजा आएगा. Because Rita and I love playing board games. तो मुझे खेलने की छुट्टी है इसलिए मैं आज ही दे दी. मैं सोची थी ट्री के नीचे रखूंगी. I'm so tired. इतना ज़्यादा ट्रैफिक था, 2 घंटा लगा guys पहुंचने में.
Later that same evening.
Guys, हम जा रहे हैं Aditi and Ishan से मिलने. They have come all the way from Delhi for some event, and then we are meeting for dinner. So I've called them to Kofuku. Reet मेरी favorite restaurant है Asian के लिए. और मैं अपने earrings ढूंढ रही हूँ, तो इसलिए आवाजें हो रही है इधर. Should I do big hoops? Reet, should I do these? बड़ा के छोटू earrings. Then I don't want to do rhinestones.
तो whatever is there वो अच्छा तो लग रहा है.
Pearls? It's not vibing. Because I'm doing gold.
What you're wearing वो मोटा ऐसा लग रहा है लहंगे के साथ जो पहन.
कुछ भी है लहंगे के साथ पहनते guys. रीत की फैशन सेंस ना देने वाली. चलो चलते हैं. कौन आया देखो कौन आया.
दिल्ली से आया मेरा दोस्त.
Yes. Oh my god. बहुत अच्छा है. तुमको अच्छा लगेगा. रीत doesn't like sushi but he like this. कैसा लगा? देख तुझे खारिया को तो पसंद नहीं.
I'm very skeptical about sushi. This is
Let's
my-
get Ishan's review.
हाँ, क्यों नहीं पा रहा मैं?
Bro, slippery है. गोलगप्पे जैसा खा ले ईशान. My boyfriend with my jacquemus. It looks so good on you, Reet. My handbag is your perfect accessory. चलो भाई गेड़ी मारने हम दिल्ली वालों को मुंबई की गेड़ी पे ले चले.
The next day.
After coming back home last night, I could not talk to you all because of how tired I was. The movie was amazing, but the traffic was insane. Like, I was out and out the whole day. And pura din ka event, plus going for the premiere, everything, like, wiped me out at the end of the day. And today, my friends are coming over. Aditi and Ishan are coming over to my home. Kal raat ko hum log dinner पे गए थे साथ में. And तभी मैंने ज़्यादा vlog नहीं किया because I was just tired. But अभी उन लोग घर पे आ रहे हैं. आज उनकी flight है. And I'm going to just, you know, do a little bit of थोड़ा सा like sunscreen and blush वगैरह. कल भी by the way I had used this new sunscreen which has just come out. This is Pond's Anti Blue Light UV Miracle Sunscreen. This product is a very cool sunscreen. It's not like your regular sunscreens because regular sunscreens are only giving you protection from the sun rays. This has SPF 50 PA4+, but it's also got the first ever digital protection factor DPF. That means it's not just going to protect your skin from the sun outside, but it's also going to give you blue light protection that we have from screen. So I take 2 fingers. Yesterday I applied this under my makeup and now I'm just going to apply a little bit of this. You can see it has a tint, but it just leaves like a nice glow to your face. हम पूरा दिन phone, camera, laptop पे चिपके रहते हैं. And you know what we don't realize is that the screens are also damaging our skin just as much as the sun is damaging our skin. So sunscreen is of course one essential product, but the fact that this has digital protection factor, it's also going to protect us from blue light. It blends really easily and very beautifully into the skin and बहुत जल्दी absorb हो जाता है. Although my skin has this glow, but the finish is very matte. Like बिल्कुल भी चिपचिपा finish नहीं है. No white cast whatsoever. Just a universal tint. You can apply makeup over this. Yesterday I was applying makeup over this, or you can just leave it like this and then, you know, put a little bit of blush. Let's put a little bit of blush to add some color also to my face and my cheek. I'm gonna add a little bit of tint on my cheeks. Just basic. जो मैंने lips पे tint लगाया है, वो मैं गालों पे भी लगा रही हूँ. तो monochrome effect आएगा. The Pond's Anti Blue Light UV Miracle Sunscreen gives you protection from 10,000 plus UV particles per second, which is insane. So whether you're indoors on your screens or whether you're going out in the harsh sun, you're going to be protected with this. It's basically like your ultimate protection from sun as well as screens. So one step, no overthinking, no stress. Add this to your routine. I'm going to leave a link for this product in the description. So if you want to check out a new sunscreen, you should give this a shot. Now I'm going to get a little bit of work done before my friends come over.
A few moments later.
Fajr's lost his mind. He's so excited. He's so excited.
नेलो आ गया ना
बस उसका दिन बन गया. कब से इतना उदास था. मैं रीत को पूछी वो बीमार है क्या? Because he's so quiet since morning. He's searching for his toy to bring for you. This one? You'll get, no, he wants to give a soft toy. कहाँ है soft toy? वो रूम में शायद स्टूडियो में. Studio room? हाँ, he's like, I have to show them my new toy. I have to show them my toy. देखो गया. देखो.
वही लेके
उससे बड़ा तो टॉय है.
अभी थ्रो करके अभी वो लेगा
सेम मेरे टॉप का भी है. उसको बॉल चाहिए. उसके नॉर्मल बॉल्स है 5-6 और उसमें सब छुपा के रखता है. तो हर बंदे के साथ वो अलग एक बॉल निकलवाता है. उसी बंदे से निकलवाया फिर
सुबह से मैं रीत और सत्यम घर साफ कर रहे हैं. पूरा ट्री सुधारा, सब किया. बट देखो ये बच्चा अभी घर खराब कर रहा है. ये वो बच्चे होते हैं ना जो ड्राइंग करके दीवारें
दिखता है ना कहीं से फटा है निकाल देगा पूरा.
गाइस कोगी ट्राइंग टू शूट अ रील. ये देखो मैंने उसको मार दिया.
सारा सरोज ने मुझे अब्यूज किया.
या सर पे सीधा टपली. ओह गॉड कैसे घुमाऊं मुझे पता भी नहीं है. आई एम बीइंग पुट ऑन अ स्पॉट. वेट वी नीड टू ट्राई दिस. पहले तो लाइन बोल मेरे को गाने की लाइन.
नाइट की नोटी कहानी ये हलकट जवानी.
ये नाइट की से स्टार्ट हो रहा है.
हाँ.
ओके ठीक है चल बेटर. ओके विल डू इट. आई लाइक इट. या वर्क.
ऐसा स्पाइसी एक्सप्रेशन
Yes.
आ गए हमारे.
लिप सिंक गाने पे ही होता है गाइस.
ट्रू.
माँ मेडिट का खाना लग गया. आ जाओ. मम्मी हैज गॉन ऑल आउट. मम्मी को सुबह बता दिया ना आदिति आ रही है, तो मम्मी की फेवरेट है आदिति.
आंटी तो बोलती रहती है क्वर्की आंटी.
या मम्मी सब आदिति के रील पे कमेंट करती है.
मैं भी करती हूँ उनके, वो भी करती है मेरे. एंड जब फैन फेस्ट तूने किया था तब भी मैं आके मैं देखती थी आंटी का बैठी, आंटी का मेरे को रील दिखा. वो इधर उधर जाता हुआ मैंने कहा यहाँ पे बैठे हैं. फिर मैं आंटी से मैंने कहा हेलो, ऐसे करके आंटी भी उठ के जो मैं तो झप्पी डाली है.
तुम ये नया बैग लेके भी आ गए, अब भी मैंने भेजी तुमको.
कौन झुकेगा और बैग निकालेगा ड्रॉर में से?
तालस.
यूज करो. गुड. साथ का सामान
क्या खाना बनाया है,
क्या सही में
बहुत 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 अच्छा.
हमें ये बेटा
बहुत बढ़िया.
गॉड ब्लेस यू.
चिकन चिली चिकन तो बहुत अच्छा लगा. तो
मियाँ कबाब देखो.
मियाँ कबाब छोड़ दिया इन्होंने. मुझे नहीं मालूम था तुम इतना भेजोगी.
मैंने लिस्ट भेजी देखो.
बट बाय द टाइम मैंने मियाँ कबाब में मैं बोली कम पड़ा तो सबको पेट भर के, तो फिर सब मांगे.
तो माँ मेड इट का पूरा फीस्ट मिला.
अच्छा आज मैं टेस्टिंग के लिए भी लेकर आई. कल जो आज तुम्हारा टेस्टिंग शॉट. व्हाट बेटर कैन आई आस्क फॉर? इफ आई आस्क गॉड समथिंग एल्स तो वो भी पूरा हो जाएगा.
मम्मी ने रोज कुकीज भी खिला दी अपनी आदिति और ईशान को.
What better
ये लोग
gift
खुश.
this I could ask, like such a big content creator has tasted my food today. you know?
आप वो कंटेंट क्रिएटर भाई, माय माइंड इज ब्लोन. बहुत टेस्टी है. मैं घर लेके जा रही हूँ. आई एम टेकिंग दिस एंड
ले जाओ रवि और मम्मी के लिए.
रवि को
मैं क्रिसमस के लिए भी बना के भेज दूंगी.
हाँ और भी तो दूसरी चीजें.
आइसक्रीम बहुत अच्छा लगेगा.
बहुत अच्छा है. रीत को अभी वैनिला आइसक्रीम के साथ तो खिलाना ही पड़ेगा.
ये अभी आई ऑर्डर द टब.
ईशान फज को भी शुगर खिलाए जा रहे दोनों लड़के लोग इसको कब से.
और ये भी ऐसा नहीं कि हप कर रहे हैं, ये
वो
बहुत प्यार से.
हाँ वो एकदम बहुत सूंघता है भाई. खाना खाने से पहले इतना एकदम से मुंह में नहीं डालेगा.
One eternity later.
What's up guys, we are going out for Christmas gift shopping. Reet is waiting downstairs with the Uber and we are going to Geo Plaza. So every year on Christmas I get something very special for mom and my sister especially. But this year I'm also thinking to get something for dad because for his birthday I had planned to get him an iPhone. He has not upgraded his iPhone since the last time you all saw me get him an iPhone, which must be ages ago. If you are like old on my channel, जब से आप हो तब से आपने देखा होगा कि I had got mom an iPhone 11 and dad an iPhone 11 Pro Max and dad still till date आज तक वो 11 Pro Max ही use कर रहे. आज तक he's not upgraded his phone. I told him I would give him the 14 Pro Max when I upgrade to 16 Pro Max, but I didn't end up doing that because Impulse Coffees is using both 16 and 12 Pro Max. So Impulse में demand बढ़ती जाती है Impulse वालों की, and then the phones just go to them and they never go to my dad. So I thought today I would just get him a brand new phone. The year has been very hard on all of us, but you know it's been like hard especially on my sister and my dad. They both have had a really hard year, and so for both of them I want to get like really good gifts. I want to get my sister also a phone, but she has, I think she has 15, so then her upgrade would be 17, which is very expensive. So I cannot, like, I also don't have 17 right now, so I'm thinking to get her Dior earrings because she loves accessories and she doesn't own anything Dior. I think Dior is so Christmas coded, so I want to get her Dior. And mummy to is high maintenance, तो उनको तो कुछ अच्छा ही लेना पड़ेगा. उनके लिए मैंने सोचा नहीं है, देखते हैं जाके what we want to get for mom. But for dad I've decided that inshallah I'm getting him a new phone, either the 16 plus or the 17 में से the new ones. So one of those. So we are going to Jio only, which is in Bandra. It is late actually. It is currently 8 o'clock, so traffic वगैरह मिलेगा, stores बंद नहीं हो जाए, तो let's go. Guys, Christmas decor everywhere, making me so happy to see this. So excited. Look at the quality of the decor, Reet. ऐसा घर पे करना था तुमको.
Based on what I did the best.
Yes,
Based
with
on
what you
I
had. Namaste. So cute. Season's greetings. Guys, I think Burberry is going to come here. It's not yet here. Oh, it's there. It's there. Burberry is there. It's there. Burberry is there. Look at this, so cute. Everything's so cute. I love Christmas. The vibes in Bombay, every mall is so beautifully decorated, and of course Jio Plaza will do the top notch because Neeta auntie wants to outbeat everyone, so she's going to do her best. They've upgraded the mall a lot from the last time we came here. Yeah, I like this. It's more feminine. This is very branded, like. We got the holiday bag. My sister's gift is secured. Guys, I have the same taste as Neeta auntie because मेरे घर में भी same tiles है. अभी सिर्फ हमारा एक ही gift हुआ है. अभी हम जा रहे Geo World Drive. Oh, Falguni and Peacock also have store. This is so much like my can outfit. So beautiful. है ना?
No, weird.
Not like my can outfit?
Yours was better, very well fitted. These in the mannequins are looking very weird.
So if you want to get me something, you should get me this bed linen from Pottery Barn. Do you want Christmas stuff? See, you were saying no couch cushion, this.
See, all of these घर पे हो, हमारे घर पे उगता ही है.
तुम ना हर चीज उगाओ है सामने. ये देखो कितना अच्छा लग रहा है एस्थेटिक.
Later that same evening.
Alright guys, I'm gonna end this vlog right here. We came back at around 10:30, 10:45 and I only got like the Dior earrings today for my sister because it was very late actually. By the time we reached Geo Plaza only it was 9 o'clock and then we entered the Apple showroom just 10 minutes before it was going to shut. So making a decision कि पापा के लिए कौन सा phone लेना in such short time span didn't feel right. It was very rushed and I so want to like decide properly कि should I get my dad the 16 Plus or should I get him 17 Pro Max because he is somebody who uses his phone properly लगातार because you know 11 Pro Max he's using अभी तक. So that means if I get him like a हल्का phone like 16 Plus की body मुझे इतनी strong नहीं लग रही तो अगर वो give up कर दिया बीच में तो simply like he will feel bad. So I want to get him a sturdy phone that lasts him for a really long time for the next 5 generations. So that's why I didn't make like a rushed decision. I want to think about it properly and make an informed decision. So I have a couple of more days and there's an Apple showroom literally 5 minutes from my house तो मैं यहीं से ले सकती हूँ. I don't have to go to Geo Plaza or Geo World Drive and get it. I was just there so I thought सारी Christmas shopping एक साथ हो जाएगी but I realized that इतनी महंगी चीजें इतनी फटाफट नहीं लेनी चाहिए. But I'm very happy with the earrings that I got my sister and if she doesn't like it, if it doesn't look good on her, she can always go ahead and exchange it because they have like a 1-month exchange policy. So that is sorted. That's why I didn't like give it a lot of thought कि ठीक है if I'm buying something that she's not happy with, she doesn't like it, she can exchange it. So that's that. और भी मुझे अपना खुद का Christmas outfit figure out करना है. I don't know what I am wearing. We are going to celebrate Christmas at Nani's house this time. Honestly, December has just been such a rough month for me personally. Like my Saudi trip was amazing. That was in November. I came back on 1st December and every day something or the other has been happening in December. So it's just been a very rough month. I was actually seeing somebody's story yesterday that was saying that it's the year of the snake as per the Chinese New Year, Chinese calendar, and December can be very difficult because it can be like, you know, how a snake is shedding its skin and just having like a rebirth and you can feel like that. I don't really believe a lot in that, but when I saw her story yesterday, it was Catherine Pies' story and I was like, you know what, I just want to believe in this because December ka every day has been feeling so heavy and so difficult and not feeling Christmassy and that joy in the air and that cheer in the air is just not there. I have been feeling very bogged out. I don't know what I'm wearing for Christmas. This is never me. Like at this time, मेरी Christmas outfit sorted होता है, मेरा vision board बन जाता है next year का, सब कुछ हो जाता है. But अभी neither have I made my vision board, neither do I know what I'm doing next year, neither have I gotten my outfit. I was going to make an outfit from scratch, but now it's too last minute, so I might just go and buy an outfit and I don't even know when I have the time to do that because Christmas is literally this week. So yeah, I'm heading into Christmas pretty confused, and if you had a very confused December, then let's just blame it on the year of the snake, okay? So yeah, that's that. I'm gonna end this vlog right here. I will see you in my Christmas vlog probably in the new year. I think the next upload you're gonna see is the behind the scenes of our sachet launch because on 27th December we're launching the sachets and we took pre-orders which did so well for us. Like right now also pre-orders are on. When you will watch this video, probably end of year sale has started on Impulse Coffee. So even now if you buy our sachets in combos, you get a really good deal on a bundle, but individually they must be back to MRP. From 27 December they'll be back to MRP from 27 December. तब तक हम pre-orders ले रहे हैं, तो I think you will watch this vlog before 27, तो आप अभी भी उसका pre-order पे कर सकते हो, उसको सस्ते में खरीद सकते हो. 27 के बाद वो वापस MRP पे हो जाएगा and then we need to start shipping out all our pre-orders. So next video you will see is the whole journey behind the sachets coming to life, which is what I have to shoot in the coming week. So I am literally going to sit with my laptop right now at midnight and make my calendar for the week ahead. कि अभी मुझे last week of December before I go on my Christmas leave, what do I need to do? I hope you enjoyed this vlog vlog, and I really hope you're having a better Christmas month than I am. I love you all so much. For today's video, the Sarah Squad shout out goes to Doctani. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. If you want to be part of next year's Sarah shout out, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, bell icon right next to it, and also comment down below saying hashtag Sarah Squad, and you get a chance to be a part of my next video, Sarah Squad shout out. I will see you guys very soon in another video. Bye guys, love you.